Okay, ndewo na onye ọwụla. Tata anyị nwere ajụjụ. Agbamajụjụ. Agbamajụjụ means quiz. Okay? Going to do quiz. And everybody should be ready for that. All right. So, you're ready for your quiz? Some of you, most of you did not do homework. Most of you did not do your homework. Okay? But some of you that did, bravo. Good job. Unu mere nke ọma, daalụnụ, daalụnụ. Some of you did your homework, and I am very, very proud of you. I'm very proud of all of you that did your homework. And today we have quiz. We're going to do gender specific. Why is this not flashing? Okay, we're gonna do gender specific. And we do also head to toe. But the first thing we are doing, kids is head to toe. So if you didn't do your homework, hey, but if you did your homework, try your best to get it right, okay? All right. So I'll be going over as we do it, as we answer the question. Oh, no. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. So head to toe. Okay, we're starting. We are not waiting for any other person. People like coming late. If you're late, you have to wait to join the next one that we're going to do. All right, so we're starting the quiz. If you're late, you're late. So I've been waiting for everybody to get in. So now we're going to start the quiz. We're doing classical mode, which is individual. And when you see the pin come up, put in your quiz, your pin. You go to kahoot.it, www.kahoot.it, and then you put in your pin. We have to do it fast. We don't have time to waste. Kahoot.it. 523-728 is the pin. 523-728. 523-728. That's the pin. I'm waiting. A minute more to call in. If you're just coming in, go ahead and put in the pin. Go to kahoot.it and join to the quiz. 523-728. If you are just coming in, kahoot.it. 523-728. 523-728. Get in. We have 30 more seconds to start. 523-728 is the pin. Go to kahoot.it and join. If you are just coming in, put in the pin. We're about to start. 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. I need 8 more people to join. 8 more people. We are waiting. Only 27 people are in. The rest of you should do fast and get in. Time is up. I give you 10 more seconds to join. Everybody should join. If you're using the device with your sibling, that's fine. Okay, we are starting. You have 5 seconds for each question. I hope I'm recording this. Let me see. All right. Aji afụ ọnụ. Aji afụ ọnụ. Let's see the scoreboard. Ha, 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 ha. Chimde is leading. If you are coming in now, you have to wait. You are too late to join the quiz. I can't believe some people miss this. Head, headable, easy. Kamsi is leading. Your shin. Chin bụ agba. Chin bụ agba. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-abata ugbu a, ị bịaghị ọsịsọ. Ị bịaghị ọsịsọ. Emeka is leading. Lips. Your lips. Ya, egbugboro ọnụ. Nwata na-ebe akwa. Ha. Baby is crying. Ebe akwa is crying. Aqua means crying. Nwata na-ebe akwa, baby is crying. Let's see the scoreboard. Emeka is leading still. Right? Ọ na-achị ọchị, ọ na-amụ amụ maọbụ ọ na-achị ọchị. Ọ na-amụ amụ maọbụ ọ na-achị ọchị. Okay? It means she or he is smiling or laughing. Smiling or laughing. All right. Isi. Head. Ọla ntị. Ọla ntị. Earring. Yes. Ọnụ. Ọnụ. Mouth. Nkechi na was the leader now. Nwata chere ọchị. Nwata chere ọchị. You know what is nwata? Oh, it's across the board. Nwata chere ọchị. Baby smiled or laughed. Baby smiled. Nwata means a baby. Smile. Anya. Anya. I can't believe some people missed it. Anya. Eye. Imi. Imi. Imi bụ nose. Nose. Bụ imi. Your cheek. Your cheek. Okay, now pay attention here. Your cheek bụ ntị. Ntị. is the one, your cheek is the one that has a dot underneath it. The other one is nte. It doesn't have a dot underneath. So you need to know the difference. Cheek is nti. Kelechi, we are doing a quiz now. See you raising your hand. We can ask question now until we are done. Nkechi is the leader. Kelechi and Ugonna. The quiz is going on, so you have to wait. We have teeth. Eze. Eze is teeth. Yeah. Yeah. Now you remember what I said before. There you go. Some of you missed it again. Yeah, but nte. Nte. The one that has just one dot on top. So on the scoreboard, we have Nkechi leading, Emeka second, Shim the third, Kamsi fourth, Chisom Ezugo fifth. So these are the leaders on the scoreboard. So try to get on the scoreboard if you want to be one of the winners. Aba Oko. Aba Oko is the sole of the foot. Aba Oko, sole of the foot. All right. Akoko. 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 Akoko means the side. A side or body sides is akoko. Akoko. All right, Izuna got on the board. That's good. Izuna got on the board. Mkpuru obi. Mkpuru obi. Mkpuru obi. All right, mkpuru obi means your heart. Your heart is mkpuru obi. Some of you said chest. No, the chest. I'm not gonna tell you because the answer, the question is coming. So let's see. Akụkụ aka nri. Akụkụ aka nri. Akụkụ aka nri is body right side. Body right side, yes. So I'm doing the review at the same time. We have Nkechi, Kamsi, Emeka, Chisom, and Izuna. Try to get up there, everybody. Try your best to get up there. We have but. What is but? But is Ike. Ike. Don't forget to have two words that mean different things, the same spelling. But the other one has a dot underneath it. Okay? But Ike, it is the one that has a dot underneath it, not the one with a dot on top. So that's Ike. It's deeper than Ike. The one with a single dot is Ike. The one with a dot underneath is Ike. So you need to know the difference. The scoreboard. Oh, we have princess on the board there. Good. Eyebrows. 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 Oh, gini. Iku anya. Iku anya. Princess is coming up. Good job. Iku anya. All right, tongue. Your tongue. Your tongue is called ire. Ire. Let's see the scoreboard. Wow. Oh, wow. Emeka is coming up. Emeka, you all need to get Nkechi out of the way. Nkechi is still leading. Akụkụ aka ekpe. Akụkụ aka ekpe. Akụkụ aka ekpe. Akụkụ aka ekpe. Akụkụ aka ekpe means left side of the body. left side of the body, okay? All right, scoreboard. Whoa, look at Princess jumped up there. Oh my God. Catch that, somebody is coming. Somebody is coming. Azu. Azu, not Azu. It's Azu. Azu means your back. Azu is your back. Yeah, Izuna is coming up too. Okay, your hair. Your hair. Your hair. Your hair is Ntutu. Ntutu. Some of you did not answer this question. Oh, Zizi got on the board. Zizi and Ike. Okay, Zizi and Ikenna. They're on the board. Nkechi Princess, Emeka Kamsi, Zizi and Ike. All right. Eyelashes. 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 Your eyelashes is mpupe anya. Mpupe anya. Oh boy, Kamsi jumped up. Kamsi is in the second position now. All right, let's see. But Nkechi is still leading. She maintains her lead. Face. Face. Your face is Ihu. Ihu. Emeka is coming up, number 3. Okay. The third position for Emeka. Ihu Ochi. Ihu Ochi. Ihu Ochi means cheerful face. A cheerful face is Ihu Ochi. All right. Akpere. Akpere. Maọbụ olu. Akpere maọbụ olu means your neck. I don't know why. Not everybody. We have 36 people here. Only 24 people answered the question. I don't know what's going on. We have 38 people in a class. I don't see why only 34 people should be answering the question. 24 people answering the question. Enyo anya maọbụ ugegbe anya. Enyo maọbụ ugegbe anya. Eyeglasses bụ enyo anya maọbụ ugegbe anya. Eyeglasses. All right, we still have Nkechi Kamsi, Emeka Princess, Zizi and Ike on the board. Your shoulder. Your shoulder. Your shoulder. Your shoulder is Ubu Aka. Ubu Aka is your shoulder. Now, Nkechi, Emeka, Kamsi, Princess, and Zizi. Oko. Oko. Yeah, Oko. Oko is your foot. Your foot is Oko. Kamsi is number 2 again. Ike Oko. Nobody want to overtake Nkechi. Nkechi is still leading. Somebody needs to take over. Oh boy. Ike Oko is Gene. Ike Oko, your heel. Your heel is Ike Oko. Okay. Chisomezugo is up now. Efe maọbụ uwe. Efe maọbụ uwe. Efe maọbụ uwe. Efe maọbụ uwe. Shirt. Your shirt is efe. All right, let's see. We have few more questions left. 10 questions left. Your stomach. Your stomach is afọ. Only 25 people answered the question out of 38 people. The stomach is afọ, not afọ. Ukwu. Yeah, ukwu is your west. Ukwu means west. All right. Oba aka. Oba aka. Your oba aka. Oba aka. Your oba aka. Oba aka means what? Your palm. All right. Nkechi is still leading. Etiti ụkwụ. Etiti ụkwụ. Etiti ụkwụ is your calf. Your calf is etiti ụkwụ. The 5 people are still maintaining their lead. Mbọ aka. Mbọ aka. Mbọ aka is what? Your fingernails. Fingernails. Wow, Kechi. You let Kamsi. Oh, Kamsi took a lead. Oh my God. Oh my God. We have 4 more questions left. Ikiri ụkwụ. Ikiri ụkwụ. Oh my God. Kamsi is leading now. Let's see the scoreboard again. Kamsi is leading Nkechi, Emeka, Chisom, and Princess. Okay. 3 more questions left. Mkpesi ụkwụ. Mkpesi ụkwụ. Your mkpesi ụkwụ. Mkpesi ụkwụ is your fingernails. No. Yeah. You know what? Okay. Listen. Mkpesi ụkwụ is not fingernails. Ụkwụ means toes. Is your toe nails, okay? Mkpesi aka. Mkpesi ụkwụ. Okay? Your toes. So we made a mistake here. But the people that said toes, they get it. Mbọ ụkwụ, I will change it. It's a typo. So we're going to change it. But if you answer toenails, that's close, but that's a typo. So mkpesi ụkwụ is supposed to be your toes, okay? Mkpesi ụkwụ is supposed to be the toes, but it's a typo. I will change it. Okay, so that's number 42. Okay, 42 should be changed. All right, back of the hand. Back of the hand. Back of your hand is azuaka. Azuaka. Kamsi is still leading. Wow. One more question. 42. Mpa'abo. Mpa'abo. Mpa'abo is your armpit. Armpit. Kamsi is still leading. This is the last question. If you want to take a lead, this is it. Obi. Obi. Your obi is your chest. Let's see number 3. The third person. Chistomezugo is number 3. Nkechi is number 2. Let's see the winner. Oh my God, Kamsi won. Bravo, good job. Wow. Wow, that's good. I will post it and you all will see how you did. This is good. This is awesome. So I was reviewing as while we are doing it, but we're not gonna do that again. So we're gonna go back and do another one. We are doing another one, okay? So let me go back. We're going to do gender specific. We're gonna do gender specific. All right, we're done with this one. Oh, come on. Doing gender specific, but we need to correct something. Number 42 is a typo. And we need, if you know you didn't get to join, this is the opportunity to join. I see people raising hand. I want you to jot. Okay, Kedindi Nwara Jojo. I'm going to let you unmute yourself. Keneshi, unmute yourself. After Kenechi, Ebuka. After Ebuka, Bryant. Okay, Kenechi, go ahead.
The last quiz we did, the timer's too fast.
Yeah, that's you're supposed to know it. That's why I have to do your listen. You have to do your homework. If you did your homework, you should know it.
No, but
Then
for me,
when you get there, it won't be too fast for you. Okay?
I have to change windows.
Yeah.
Why do you have to change a window?
Because it can't fit in like tabs.
Yeah.
So why do you have to change a window? What's going on?
Because it can't fit in the tabs for some reason. Whatever like
Okay, yeah, but then listen, who is talking? Is that Kenechi?
Yeah.
Kenechi, did you do your homework?
What are you saying?
If you didn't do your homework, then you're going to have a problem.
I know
But it's
that.
5 minutes. Okay, so do you have computer in your house?
Yeah. I'm using
Okay,
one.
why not use computer?
Okay, let me get you.
I'm on one right now.
Okay, get on computer. While I'm correcting this, I need to correct something now. Because
So you guys can talk.
so we're doing something. So I need to correct this one. But I do it later. So go ahead if you want to change a device, then go ahead and do that. So we're gonna do gender. If you didn't do your homework, you're going to struggle. That's why I said everybody do your homework. So we're going to correct this number 42. Mr. Oko is your toe, not toenails. So we're correcting it now. Is your toe, not the toenails. Toenails is mbo oko. Mbo oko, so that's what it is. All right, so we corrected it. Now we're gonna go to gender specific. If you didn't do your homework, you may struggle. If I send out a homework, you have to do your homework. No excuses. You have to do your homework. So try to do your homework, everybody. Zara, who else has a question? Did ever okay, Zara, gonna watch your jogging. And Bryant, after Zara, about Bryant. Zara, gonna what? Unmute yourself, Zara.
Unmute yourself, Zara.
How do you join?
You couldn't join. What happened? Mama go neighbor. Your mom on there? Is your mom there?
No.
Okay, so do you have anybody to help you there? Okay, now, okay, Zara, can you go to Google, type Kahoot.it. You see Kahoot? See it on the screen here. You see it says Kahoot. Look on the screen. I want you to see it on the screen. We are moving my mouse, Kahoot. And then you put a dot, you put IT. You hit enter. Then when I put the quiz, you should put a pin in. Can you get to Kahoot.it, Zara? Let me know if you're there, Zara. Can you do that?
I couldn't.
Did you connect?
No.
You have somebody to help you?
No.
Okay, Zara, do you know how to go to Google?
No.
Oh, okay. Now, Zara, this is what I want you to do. I want you to stay there and watch it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, tell your mom to call me so that I can walk her through how to connect you, okay? So that next time when we have a quiz, you should be able to do it, okay, Zara? Don't forget to tell mommy to call auntie.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Hello, Zara. Zizi, go ahead. Zizi, unmute yourself. Zizi, can you unmute yourself? Do you still have question? Okay, we need to go to gender now. Okay, everybody get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. You have 5 seconds. So if you did your homework, you should do fast. Okay. Now the pin is loading. If you cannot connect, I just want you to sit there and then listen to what I'm saying, because I'll be doing the review as we do the quiz. So go ahead and enter the pin. We have only 2 minutes to log in. We have to start the quiz fast. So everybody get in, get in. We have 40 people in this class. We need to get in fast. Come on, guys. Everyone. Onyawula banye, banye, banye. Banye means get in. Banye, banye means to get in.
Press. Where did I press? Where did I press?
Okay, I'm gonna mute everybody now. We are not supposed to be talking. The quiz is going on. So I'm going to mute everybody. And you can ask questions after this quiz. We have 15 more seconds to get in. I need 10 more people to get in. You need to do fast. I know you're there with your siblings, but you need to do fast to get in. Banyano, banyano, banyano. Banyano means to get in. Batano, batano, batano means to get in. Bata, get in. Bataba, get bataba means to get in. Get in, get in. Bata, get in. Okay, 8 more people. Mada sato, batano. Batano, 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 batano. Okay? Okay. 10 more seconds. We're not gonna wait forever. 30. I'm waiting for 9 more people to get in. All you need to do, put your pin 556-206. 556-206. 556-206. All right. If your sibling is able to get in, join your sibling, okay? We are starting now. Don't forget, you have to do fast. You have 5 seconds. You have tintim. In where tintim is. Omonam. Omonam, my siblings. Omonam means my siblings. My siblings. That's why I said do your homework. If you did your homework, you should be able to answer the question. Let's see okay. Ma'ab. Ma'ab means oh. I gave you the answer already. You see? I gave you the answer. Even though I gave you the answer, I still miss it. Emeka is leading. Emeka, Chisom, Ebuka, Dara, and Chika. Nwanne anyị. Nwanne anyị. Nwanne anyị. Nwanne anyị. Nwanne anyị means our siblings. Our sibling. Now, listen. Nwanne anyị. Nwanne anyị. Okay. Okay, so there's a typo here. And I will change it. It's supposed to be our sibling, not our siblings. If it's umunani, then it will be our siblings. But I said in one nani, it should be our sibling. So I'm going to change that one. It's a typo. Okay, Emeka is leading. Nwatakịrị. Nwatakịrị. Nwatakịrị Nwatakịrị, a little child. A little child is nwatakịrị. Ha dị ntakịrị. Ha dị ntakịrị. They are small or little. They are small or little. Okay. Anyị niile dị obere. Anyị niile dị obere. We all are small. We all are small. Emeka, Chisom, Nkechi, Kaima, Ebuka. Nwanyị. Nwanyị. Nwanyị is female. If we say nwanyị, if we have nwa and then a hyphen or a dash with anye, nwanyị is our child. But if it's together like this, nwanyị, it means female, right? Okay, now we have a typo here too. Okay, nwanyị is supposed to be female. So it's a typo. I will check to know what happened here. But this one is a typo. It shouldn't be male. It's a typo. All of you that said female got it right. I will check it. Ụmụaka, ụmụazị. Children. Children bụ ụmụaka maọbụ ụmụazị. Wow, Chisom is leading now. Ụmụ nwoke, ndị nwoke. Ụmụ nwoke, ndị nwoke. Men, yes, men. Nwam, nwanyị. Nwam, nwanyị. Nwam, nwanyị. Nwam, nwanyị. It's my daughter. My daughter, nwam, nwanyị. Ụmụnne. 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 Siblings. Siblings means ụmụnne. Siblings. Wow, Nkechi took a lead again. Siblings, ụmụnne. Obere nwata maọbụ obere nwa. Obere nwata. A little child. A little child, obere nwata. O buru ibu. O buru ibu. O buru ibu. O buru ibu means it is big. It is big. It is big. Big or enormous. Enormous or big. That something is big. Ukwu, all the ukwu. All the ukwu, it is big. Ah, Kaima took a lead. Good for you, Kaima. Nwata nwa okorobịa. Nwa okorobịa. Nwa okorobịa means a teenage boy or younger adult. Teenage boy or younger adult. Nwunye. 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 Nwunye means a wife. A wife is nwunye. A wife is nwunye. All right, Kaima is leading still. Nwa nwanyị. Nwa nwanyị. Nwa nwanyị. Nwa nwanyị means female. A female. Ah, Nkechi's leading now. Kaima, what's going on? You let them take you out of the way, right? Ah, boy. Umu abogobia. Umu abogobia, teenage girls or young adult girls. All right. Nkechi's still leading. Husband. Husband. Husband means the. Husband is the. Husband means the. All right. Nwa nwoke. That's a typo. We're supposed to have an E at the end of there. Nwoke. Nwa nwoke means male. A male. A male. We have 4 more questions. 4 more. You have to do something to be on the board. Sibling. 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 Nwanne. Nwanne is sibling. All right. Nwoke lụrụ nwanyị maọbụ nwoke ji nwanyị. Nwoke, you know what is nwoke? Nwoke means a man, right? Lụrụ means married. Okay, married. Nwanyị, a man that married a woman, okay? A married man, that's what it should be. A married man. 2 more questions left. Oloro. Now you know the meaning of loro. The meaning of loro. Olorudi. She is married. Oh, she, lorudi means a man, husband, okay? A question left. 1 more question. The one name. You know what is one name? You know what is the? You know what is one name? The one name means my sister's husband. Okay. All right. Let's see this cupboard. Okay, the last question. Let's see if Nkechi is going to keep the lead. And now, okay. Also, there's a typo. That E there, extra E should not be there. Okay, now let's see. Who is the winner here? Let's see. Oh, Kaima, number 3. Emeka, number 2. Whoa, the 3 siblings. Nkechi, number 3. Ebuka, 4. Chisom, 5. Awesome. Good job. Now, everybody, you get the Kahoot. You're going to get it. I'm going to post it. But let me say this. You have to learn to do your homework. Not doing your homework is not acceptable. You have to do your homework because it's going to help you. Okay, so I'm going to send out information. I need, if you want to be part of the content, if you want to join to contest on the Igbo numbers and Igbo spelling, let me know. I need you to put your name there. But the skit, everybody must do the skit. I'm going to post it out for the event. Whether you're coming to the event on June 8th or not, you need to do your skit. And then we're going to do the mock contest here for Igbo numbers, Igbo number contest. So you need to sign up for Igbo number contest. And we're going to start doing the drill next week. Practice your numbers. You have to practice your numbers, okay? You have to do that. We need to do a little bit of it here. Who will tell me what is 200? Guinea put 200. If you know it, raise your hand with your emoji. Guinea put 200. Guinea put 200. Okay, Chinedum, unmute yourself. Okay, Chinedum, unmute. Is that Chinedum or Chinua?
Me Chinedum.
Chinedum, gịnị bụ 200?
200 bo. Abo nari.
No?
I mean nari abo. Nari abo.
Narị abụọ, daalụ Chinedum. Narị abụọ. Gịnị bụ 313? If you answer, lower your hand. Gịnị bụ 313? If you don't know it, don't put your hand up. Nkechi. 313 Nkechi. Nkechi. Ọ bụ ma ọ bụ Emeka? Kedu onye na-eweli aka elu? Ọ bụ Nkechi ka ọ bụ Emeka? Nkechi, gịnị bụ 313?
313 na-abụ narị atọ na iri na atọ.
Daalụ. Narị atọ na iri na atọ. Gịnị bụ 222? Kedu onye ma ya? Emeka. 222. Unmute yourself, Emeka. 222, Emeka. Somebody with the iPhone, you need to put your name there. I don't accept anybody with iPhone. Who is this person with the iPhone? What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Emeka chere. Gịnị bụ aha gị? iPhone, unmute yourself. Kedu onye jiri iPhone, but I need you to put your name. You don't come in here with your known name. The iPhone person. Gịnị, what is your name? Unmute. Can you unmute yourself? Okay, we don't accept unknown person here. And if you don't say anything, I will have to take you out of the class. Can you unmute yourself? I unmuted you. What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Okay. For security reasons, I need to take you out. Next time, I need you to put your name there, please. I need you to put your name. So I'm gonna take you out of the class. I want you to talk when I ask question. Okay. So Emeka, gịnị 222? No, Emeka, gịnị 555? Emeka, you need to unmute yourself. Okay, let me ask another person. Chimbuchi. What is Chimbuchi? Chimbuchi, unmute yourself. 555. Chimbuchi. 555.
Nari isi.
Narigene.
Nari isi.
Gene or 5.
5. Oh.
Okay. Chimbuchi,
Yeah.
can you join us? Let's ask another person, okay? Olivia. Olivia Ngozi, gene 556. Olivia,
556.
Uh-huh.
Nari ise
Now,
na
this is how you answer the question. 556, Sebo. Then you start, okay? Olivia, start it that way.
na
No.
500
556, Sebo.
556 ebo nari ise na iri ise na isi.
Now, isi. Can you say isi? 6 is isi. Olivia, can you say isi?
Isi.
No, isi.
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 No. Olivia, now listen to me again. Isi.
Isi.
There you go. Isi. So don't call it isi. Okay?
Yeah.
Now 5 for ise. 6 for isi. Okay, so Onyega Agwan Gene was 99. Zara. Zara about 99. Look at me, Zara. Unmute yourself. 99. No. Look at me. Stop looking at mommy. Zara Genebo 99. Come on, look at me, Zara. 99.
Iri iteghete.
Now, Zara, this is how you answer question. 99 ball. And then you say the answer, okay? Go ahead.
99 ball.
Mike, you raise your hand.
Iri ite.
No, Zara, somebody is telling you, I don't want you looking at somebody. When I ask you a question, all right, let's ask another person. And I see somebody raising hand there. Okay, let me see. Emeka, Guinea, 133. Emeka, 133. Emeka Innocent. Okay, let's ask another person. Zizi. Zizi, Guinea, 17. Guinea, 17. Zizi.
17 bu iri
Yes.
No,
Sato.
Zizi,
iri
17.
asatọ
No, 17 bu Irina Sa. Irina Sa. Okay. Chinua. Chinua, mute yourself. Chinua, okay. I need to mute everybody. Chinua Ginebo, 1,187. Chinua, 1,187. Chinua.
1,087. No, 1,000.
No. Chinua, listen. 1,187.
1,187 bu puku nari otu. Wait, what's the number again? Oh,
1,187.
1,187 bu puku nari otu iri asato asa.
Wow, you tried, but you missed something. That's awesome. So you missed something, Chinua.
Huh?
Puku na. You missed na. So 1,000 is puku and 187 na. Nare, okay? Otunare, you got it, but you missed na. But you did very well. Now, let me ask somebody, Dalu Chinua. Awesome. I'm gonna get somebody here. Chukwu di honora. Chukwu di Guinea 1 million. 1,100,000. Chukwudi. 1,100,000. Chukwudi, unmute yourself. 1,100,000. Chukwudi Anora. Okay, Chukwudi is not answering. Chukwudi, unmute. Can you unmute yourself? All right. Chukwudi, are you here? Okay. Ebube, unmute yourself. Ebube Guinea was 77. Ebube 77. Ebube 77. Unmute yourself, Ebube. Okay, Nesochi Guinea was 77. Nesochi Guinea was 77. Unmute yourself. If you don't, huh?
I don't know.
How do you say I don't know it?
Amagemia.
Amagamiadalo. Chima. Chima. Chima Nobi. Chima Genewo 91. Chima 91. Chima, come on.
Iri itenani na otu.
Irite nani na otu dalo. Obi. Obi Genewo 75.
I just said that's true.
I asked Chima, then Obi. Okay, Chima, Genebu 75. Don't tell him. Chima there. Chisom Ezugo. Chisom Genebu 3,399. Chisom Ezugo. Chisom 3,399.
Yes.
Chisom
3,000.
Ezugo. Go
Yes.
ahead.
3,399 bu. Puku. Abua.
Now listen again. Chisom 3,399.
Okay.
You will get it. Go ahead.
Puku. Abua. Na.
Chisom Genewo 3.
Ato.
Then why did you tell me Puku Abo? Now, the same rule applies. 3,399.
Puku. Ato. Na. Inari ato. Na. Iri itolu na itolu.
Dalo, Chisom, dalo. Izunna, unmute yourself. Izunna, okay? Izunna Genewo 15.
Iri 15 bu iri reise.
Irina say Izunna Genewo 394. 394 Izunna.
Naria abdo. Niri ato.
394. Okay, Izunna Ibalet, Izunna Dal. Izunna Genewo 77.
Iri asa nasa.
Dalo David, Genewo 300. Unmute yourself.
We have to work more on numbers.
David, 300. David, on ebe ahụ. Amaghị m ya. Okay, Chukwuemeka. Ọhagwụ. Chukwuemeka, gịnị bụ 115? Unmute yourself. Chukwuemeka ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Ihe dị m n'uche. Gịnị 1,101? Unmute. 1,101. Ihe dị m n'uche, come on. Okay, everybody listen up. Listen up, time's up. Now, I want everybody to sign up for this number contest. Go over your numbers. Go over your numbers. So I'm going to send it out to the forum. Tell your parent, if you don't have phone, to sign you up. We're going to do this contest next week. You get it, you move on. The finalists are going to be the ones to do it live. But you have to come to the event. But the one that we're going to do here, we're going to post it. We will post it. So we're going to do it live here. Okay, on Zoom. But that day, if you're one of the finalists, you're going to make it there. Okay? So practice your number. The intermediate class are doing the spelling. All right? So make sure you practice. They are also doing numbers. So you better get ready to beat them. Okay. If don't beat them, they're gonna beat you. Okay, everybody, go over your numbers and your head to toe. We're going to ask this question. You're going to spell. We're going to do spelling too. How to spell Igbo words. Okay, we're going to do that. We do the number contest next week and also do the how to spell Igbo words. All right. Wakemesian, I'm going to unmute everybody because I want to hear everybody respond. Kemesian, no.
I win, Ajiju.
Yeah, my
Okay,
dear.
okay, wait. Wait. Question.
Do it.
Okay, what's your question? Okay. All right, that's it. Who wants to ask a question? Go ahead.
Show your trick.
Go ahead, Chisom.
That's what the word baby is.
Somebody would ask Jojo. Go ahead and ask me your question. Ah.
I'll show you your trick.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and call me. Somebody want to ask me a question? Go ahead and ask me the question.
Do we have to do the the number competition?
Yes, everybody should sign up to do it. You need to practice your number so that you can do it, okay?
When is it?
Next week. So you sign up, you practice, so you join to do it.
What if we don't have time?
No, you do have time.
What if I have
As long as you're taking this class, you have time. You need to join to do it. You have to practice your number. And then your head to toe. Because I'm going to ask you a question to tell me your chin or your tongue or your eyebrows or your eye. You need to know them. Okay? All right? Okay. All right, Kemesia.